to ride the pony? Do you want to? Yay! Ride the pony nice! Yay! Is this Pippa? Summer? Summer? Is this Pippa Pony? Yes, Pippa Pony. Oh, great job. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Look where you're riding.
Look up, Summy.
Look where you're riding. Always look up and ahead where you ride. Look up and through where you ride. Good girl. Yay! Yay! Her foot is in the stirrup. Can you see? Her foot is in the stirrup.
Good job, Summer.
Yay! Look up, look up,
Look up and ahead.
Looking ahead, look up and ahead. Watch where the pony's gonna go. Watch where you want your pony to go. Not up that way, I meant like, but up this way. Up. Yeah, that's up. Good girl. That is up.